MathsWhiz is an online personalised tutoring system unlike any other. When a child logs onto MathsWhiz for the first time, they will be directed to a diagnostic assessment to find out what their strengths and weaknesses are. After the initial assessment, a report is produced showing a learner's ability in every topic. It is reasonable to expect that a learner's relative ability would vary across the range of topics. So to come up with a single measure describing a learner's overall ability is problematic. One student might be strong in fractions but weak in decimals, while another might be strong in decimals but weak in measurement. It is not uncommon to find students with a 2-year gap between their best and their weakest topics. To come up with a single measure for a maths age is often not enough to gain a full understanding of where a student is up to in their learning. So MathsWhiz uses the initial diagnostic assessment to find their weaknesses and set individualized learning plans unique for every learner, targeting their special set of needs. In order to measure progress, MathsWhiz aggregates or combines all of the achievement levels across all topics and gives this average as a single number that we call the MathsWhiz Maths Age. Where the power of the MathsWhiz Maths Age shows up is when it is used as a comparative measure. It is the overall MathsWhiz Maths Age that is used to measure student progress. For example, if a student has an overall maths age of 11.32 after their initial diagnostic assessment, and then sometime later their maths age is increased to say 12.85, we can say with some degree of accuracy that this student has advanced their maths learning by 1.53, or just over 1.5 years, or they have gained around 1.5 years of maths knowledge. If they have done this in less than a year, we say they are accelerating their learning. The MathsWhiz Maths Age should not be taken as an absolute maths age, but simply as a starting point from which we can measure progress. The other thing that we can do is, in comparing students, to say that a student who has a MathsWhiz Maths Age of 9 is better at maths than a student who has a maths age of 8. Giving students an overall MathsWhiz Maths Age will help teachers with their group setups in class, helping them to decide what group is most appropriate for the student and to group students with others of a similar ability. As the students start their learning journey, their own personal MathsWhiz tutor continually assesses and adjusts their learning program and also adjusts their maths age as learning objectives are met, giving teachers and parents extremely valuable information, especially around progression and acceleration of learning. Be sure to ask the school's MathsWhiz leader to direct you to other parent videos, prepared especially to familiarize you with the MathsWhiz personalized tutor and showing how you can be involved in your child's journey with MathsWhiz.